Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a simple periscope template. You can use this template to make a periscope model. Let's get started. Mirror width 4.5 cm, length 6 cm. According to the width, we'll do the marking. Take 0.5 cm extra for measurement. Here my mirror width is 4.5 cm. So we'll take 5 cm width. For length of periscope, draw 10 squares of 5 cm each, and for width, draw 4 squares of 5 cm each. Draw vertical lines from the mark points. Draw horizontal line of 50 cm. Now mark at 5, 10, 15 and 20 centimeters on the vertical line. Repeat this in all lines. Now join these points by horizontal lines. You will get 40 squares. Now mark the boxes with numbers 1 to 40. Now put a cross on number 2, on number 32, on 33, on 22. Now put a cross on number 9, number 18, 19 and 29. Here I have marked with black marker which we need to fold. Now cut the crossed out numbers as shown here. Now fold the marked part. Now, with the help of sellotape, seal the edges.